All right, guys, we got part one of the 39th high request of 2018. It's River by Eminem. It's a piano solo arrangement with melody in the right hand. That's what I was given to do for the high request list. And so you can look it up on YouTube, just River Eminem featuring Ed Sheeran, piano tutorial. And so I kind of used the sheet music that was showing during the video, and then there's a guy playing it, so both of those things helped me to transcribe this. But here we go. That's the first line. Why don't we tackle that first? We'll go maybe 2 lines per part, something like that. We start, there's a lot of sharps in it. Sorry about that. That's how it's done here. But you'll get used to it. G sharp, B. I'll go 2, 2, 3. And then you're going to hit D sharp, F sharp, C sharp with 1, 2, 4. And then D sharp, C sharp, B, G sharp. So it's bum, ba, da, 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 dum. And then C sharp, D sharp, G sharp together with 1, 2, 3. Or 1, 2, 4. Then a B. The left hand will have G sharp, D sharp, B. If you cannot reach that, you can roll it like that. Then the next one's B, F sharp, B. So we have 2 and 3, 4 and. Okay, that's the first measure there. Second measure we have. Sorry. Da, 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 da. So E, F sharp, G sharp, C sharp. 1, 2, 3, 5. Maybe, yeah, play it and then just use your 5th finger again on the D sharp because it's not going that fast. C sharp, B, and then F sharp, D sharp together. Then a G sharp with a 2. Then F sharp, A sharp, E with 1, 2, 5, and then a D sharp. Left hand is E octave, and then F sharp, C sharp, G sharp. So it's a stretch. Just roll it if you can't reach it. So let's try that again. The next measure. So we have D sharp, F sharp, B. I'll use 1, 2, 4, and 2 C sharps. On the second C sharp, go to a 3 finger, I think, and then B, C sharp, and then F sharp, D sharp. And we come down to C sharp, D sharp, G sharp, and then a B at the end. So we have on your left hand, you have G sharp, D sharp, B, and then B, F sharp, B. So we have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Right, more measure to finish the phrase. So E, F sharp, G sharp, C sharp. Play that with 1, 2, 3, 5 again. D sharp, C sharp, B, G sharp. Now, in the we're just looking at the black lettering. Don't look at the red lettering yet. In the recording, the guy does this, da 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 da, but the sheet music doesn't have a G sharp there. So you can play that G sharp in red if you want to be like the guy on the recording, because he does play it even though it's not written. So G sharp, and then F sharp, G sharp, C sharp, and then 2 D sharps. So 1 and 2 and 3, da 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 da. On your left, you have E octave. Disregard those other red letters. We'll look at them later. And then F sharp, C sharp, A sharp. Another stretch. And just roll it if you can't reach it. Now let's do the whole first line. 1 and 2 and go. Okay, now the next line has and then that's the second line there, so let's take a look at that. I'll play it better as we go through it. Right hand D sharp, F sharp, B, 1, 2, 5, I guess, and then G sharp, C sharp with 1, 3. And then F sharp, D sharp 3 times. Actually 4. Da, 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 da. Then down to E, C sharp. And then F sharp, B, C sharp, F sharp. What the guy does in the video, he does this. Da, da. He actually goes B to C sharp like this. So he doesn't go ba ba like I wrote. That's what the sheet music has, but he does this. So if you want to do that, I think that sounds more cool. B to C sharp, ba-dum-bum, and you have that B at the end. So B to C sharp, and then B. So the right hand, bum, left hand G sharp, D sharp, B. Count 4 will have B, F sharp, B. So here we go. 1. Okay, and then so here it's E on the left, right hand has B, E, F sharp, G sharp. And then the same G sharp, but put your 2 on it. And you have 1 and 5 for F sharp and E. B, G sharp, E, and F sharp, E again. Sounds kind of weird going slow, but it'll sound fine going faster. Then a D sharp, and then F sharp, A sharp, D sharp. While your left hand does F sharp, C sharp, G sharp. Roll it if you can't reach. So there, 1. Okay, and then we have the rhythm and the music isn't quite the way I'm playing it there. I'm doing it like the guy in the video. So the way the guy plays it makes more sense than I think than what the sheet music is showing. So we'll go D sharp, F sharp, G sharp, B. Left hand G sharp, D sharp, B. And then D natural G sharp. It's a blues note to get to the D sharp with your third finger. Then C sharp, C sharp, C sharp. Da 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 da. And then da 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 da. So G sharp, and then C sharp, D sharp, F sharp to G sharp, and then one more G sharp. So 1. Da 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 da. Left hand G sharp, D sharp, B. To F, B sharp, B, F sharp, B. So hands together, 1. Okay, why don't we go one more measure, and then we'll tie it all together. So here we have. Here, B, E, F sharp, A sharp on the music. I don't hear the guy on the recording play these notes too loudly. It sounds kind of like that, but there they are. B, E, F sharp, A sharp, B, A sharp, G sharp, G sharp, and then 3 D sharps, and then A sharp, C sharp, F sharp with 1, 2, 4, and 2 G sharps. So bum, ba-dum, bum, bum, ba-da-da-da-da-da. Don't think about the red or the blue yet. Left hand on an E octave, and then F sharp, C sharp, G sharp at the end. So we have. Okay, let's do the whole thing kind of slow. Beginning. Under tempo just so you could hear everything, but that's good for the part 1, and we'll finish all the other lessons, of course, on web piano. Talk to you guys later.